Uh-oh. They're mobile. We're in for it now. They're still pretty clumsy, though. Angel, get your big head out of the way. Is the floor a little slippery, boys? Are you lost? Y'all gotta spread yourselves out so I can't get you all in one shot, eh? Little buggers. Put your feet under ya. Good boy. He's like, it's slippery. It's slippery. It's a puppy pile. They've all got their eyes open now, and they can all walk on a surface that they have some grip on. They can't walk on the hardwood yet. And they're starting to make other noises other than mules. There's growling and barking. This one here, the firstborn, she likes to growl at her siblings. She's quite a bully. She pushes her way in there all the time. Oh my goodness. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna lose his grip right away. I'm getting a lot more vocal, and they're certainly more mobile. They've all got their eyes open now. They're just over 2 weeks. It's the attack of the puppies. Look at this guy just biting the crap out of his brother. What are you doing? Angel's having some problems keeping up with milk production, so I figured now's as good a time as any to introduce these pups to some solid food. They're almost 3 weeks old, but they're just not getting what they need out of Miss Angel. Look at this one.
Oh my god. Take a shot of that.
You need another treat, Angel. A little higher there, baby. There you go.
So we have a lot to choose from, but don't even worry about it.
Okay. We're in this together. The trials. The triumphs. The inevitable.
What are you doing? You're so sweet, baby. Look at your big tongue.